Yo, remember that song Lotto by Ntate Stunna? Well, this is how the melody was made. So firstly I started off with this FL keys. Like I always say, FL keys is the gold VST, bro. You can never go wrong with this. So the chord progression is in C minor, as you can see by the first notes here. It's C minor. If you need me to go in depth with music theory, just holla in the comments. So it sounds like this. So they just repeat. Make sure that when you're making your melody, you have low frequencies as well, low notes for the low frequencies. Then after that, I layered it with another piano. As you can see, it's expand pianos, electric, and yeah, you can see them obviously. So I just layered those and then layered it with the FL keys, and together they sound like this. It's actually a super simple melody if you listen to it very carefully. After that, I went to the counter melody, for the bounce. The counter melody is just responsible for the bounce, and this is what I used. Together they sound like this. Then after that, I did this classic Vox. You probably know it by now. I did a second one. If you're wondering where you can get these Voxes, they're inside Africa. This drum kit over here, link is going to be in the description. They're over here. Here they are, Whoa and Ayo and ululations and stuff, Then after that, I did this brass. This brass is just, I layered these brasses as well. I used expand a lot on this beat, and it sounds like this. Then after that, I did this corana. Yeah, a lot of you been asking where I find my corana sounds, but this is what I use most of the time. I did this corana. As you can see here, the notes are in, this one is A sharp 5. I layered it with another one, for the low end. As you can see, this one is A4, so it's lower. I layered them together and they sound like this. So I was just disappointed a lot when I noticed that expand doesn't really affect like the velocities here, because I wanted the volume to not be the same. I wanted it to dip a little bit, but it didn't work, so I was like, okay. Then after that, I did this gun. From there I went to this bass. It's a bass, sort of an 808. If you look at it, I have some slides here. They just actually follow the root notes, then nothing complicated. With the bass here, again, I did this section for the first part of the hook. If you can hear the penning, I did some penning here with the slides. Pretty much basic stuff. Then after that, over here, I did this organ. This organ. By the way, if you want this FLP or this project, the link is going to be in the description. So with this organ, these are the sounds that I layered together. And I also did another instance. The reason why I did two organs is because I wanted this one to be low and this one to be high. Same with the corana. As you can see, the low one, the velocity is kind of down. So I layered them together and they sound like this. And after that, I just added the ululations and yeah, this stomp thing here, and they sound like this. So after that, I went and found this brass hit. It's also inside Africa, and just to make it, the impact of the beat when it drops. Then this is my tag. On this hook section here, I added a choir, also from Expand. Over here, this side, accordion kind of changes. So this is the verse part. I know for sure you heard that bass, and it's a simple bass. It's this one over here. So basically what I did with the bass is just follow the root notes of the melody. I took this bass from some melody by cymatics, and then I chopped it and I made this bass, and then I also layered it with the boot bass. It's just the hook, the intro, the hook, and the first part of the verse. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and leave a like if you actually did, and leave a comment what melody or what beat I should remake, or things like that, good things like that. And also remember, man, keep it simple. Peace.